Automatic descaling reminder activates after every 90 brewing cycles. Display shows flashing clen. With regular use over 3 months, hard water causes limescale buildup in heating elements, reducing heat efficiency and water flow. Using a specially formulated descaler for effective cleaning. 3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour the prepared descaling solution into the water tank. Place carafe fully seated on warming plate. Press clean button once. Your machine might stop watering for about a minute during cleaning, totally normal. After 3 beeps, the program ends, the lights go off. The cycle counter resets to 0, and the machine returns to standby. Empty the carafe, then refill the water tank with 1.2 liters clean water. Press the brew off button to perform a rinse cycle. When the program stops, descaling completed.